longer and save more. Our customers save an average of 10% when they book select properties for a week or longer. Just in case you needed another reason to extend that vacation, book the perfect summer getaway today with Vrbo.
Hey guys, can you hear me now? Oh my Atlanta. I think you guys can hear me now. Wow, I just been talking my ass off to nobody. But yeah, uh, test them back real quick. So, guys, again, I apologize for the muted mic. Um, I was saying earlier, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. You know, I really do appreciate the love and support you guys shown so far. But we're trying to grow. We're trying to go to another new heights. So guys, help me out in getting there. I need your help getting to 500 subscribers and being able to really showcase what we've been doing with the TRMS 10K challenge. I'm going to give away $1,000 to one lucky candidate that will be able to enter the 10K challenge, learn and earn with me at the same time. So if you guys want to be one of those candidates, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Know when I go live, which I've been going live in the morning at 5 a.m. Central, and also right now, usually 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Central Time. We'll be here just maybe analyzing the markets or talking about some educational things that I believe every beginner trader should know. And just to get, you know, the real millionaire friends out there, I'm Chai Zaire, and this is the TRMF channel. This is my personal channel, growing it, but we are definitely growing my trading company, and we want to be able to share what I've done, which I've now made almost 10K a month myself, and each month it's roughly around that. Now, the last few months have been crazy because I've been moving. I've been working with new business partners, and honestly, the journey has been something to document. And so now being able to write my book, Flip the Fun, and also it's part of a documentary series that I'm working on too. So with that, it's more so on showcasing guys on the journey that I'm going on, but also with Flip the Funds, it's here for you guys. I made it specifically for people that want to learn about trading, don't understand the concepts too much, and really want to, you know, dig down deep into those uh, values, those skill sets, and the mindset of how you can really, literally switch your mindset to a winning mindset to now learning a whole new skill set, but yet making your income from it. Now, to me, that's tremendous. And for anyone to be able to do that in the time frame that we're going to do it, you are destined to be great. And I only say that because trading is a very, very hard skill set to learn. Most people quit because when they lose money, they don't want to do it anymore. But the greatest part about it is that you can trade anywhere in the world. You can trade anytime. Uh, I wouldn't say any time of the day, but you can trade any time of the day if you like. Now, there are certain things that you probably should know before getting into the market, but that's the things that we should talk about one-on-one so you can understand. But I'll definitely tap into that a little later. Today's topic is simple. It's about what happened today in the markets. Man, gold was acting up. You know, some real lethal moves. Um, but I say this, it was more so how I did it, right? And so I want to be able to break it down for you guys and tell you exactly what I did, how I did it, and be able to do so for yourself. And the key part about it all is being able to showcase this, working on getting a documentation so you guys can see the profits and losses all in those days. Working on my own system that I've been working on, but I do have a couple apps that I could probably use just for right now. I just knew about it. But I definitely want to make sure that you guys understand the concept of what trading is all about. And when you are in these live trading sessions, you'll see me break down the market. And so, meaning, what does that mean? Basically, breaking down the market is uh, it's all about being able to, like, basically, I'm sorry, I lost my train of thought. Was trying to add this screen here. Um, So basically, trading is all about the concepts on buys or sells. Now, day trading can be a very tedious skill set that may take you years to learn, but at the end of the day, once you understand the small concepts, it'll probably be more fulfilling to be able to really delve down deep and make some real money from it. So I'm gonna remove my other self. It's getting in the way. Got it. What happened to my screen? There it goes. Okay. Getting used to this still, guys. It's so funny that I am trying to get used to this. Me, so weird to think about. I'm the one that be on everything. All right, let's get it. So, a breakdown in a sell that I took yesterday night. Get rid of all this stuff. Still waiting for price to make a move before I see it tonight. But last night, we were in the zone and made a couple dollars. All right. So basically, let's go. Let's get into these markets. This sell that I took, which this is on a 4 hour. Don't mind me, I didn't eat all morning. This sell is on, it's a 4 hour time frame, which is huge. Big broad moves, right? But this little area right here made us rent this morning. Let's go. So you break it down, put on a 5 minute chart, see how it gets broader and broader, the lines get smaller. You can't really tell, but that line was bigger earlier. This was just 1 or 2 candlesticks, now it's like 5. And now we can see the real peak points of where it hit, where it didn't hit. So right now, we're in let's look at a broad view, much wider, bigger time frame, bigger view of the market structure. And we are in a uptrend right now, okay? This was the most recent lower low and the most recent higher high. So this is a lower high right here, or higher low, I should say, higher low right here. And so it's consolidating right now in an uptrend movement. Now, it was down here last week. And my thing just turned on. It was in a buy all last week, right? At the end of it, right here, Wednesday, came back down, retest, came all the way up here to price 387, 388. Looks like, wow. Yeah, you see that, by the way, that is a little circle that I drew earlier. I'm going to show you what that circle looks like in a second. All right, so I failed to put the live in the group chat. I got to get better at that, guys. Help me out. Yeah, to give me a virtual assistant. Let's go. Where we are. All right, let's go. Yeah, I always forget to do that. So bad. All right, so let's go back. So as y'all saw in the uptrend, and y'all remember what that little candlestick looked like, right? Look at that. That one little wick was all of these major little candlesticks in a 5 minute. It's crazy. That one little move, the wick, may have gotten someone thousands of dollars. Now going back to what the market looks like right now, it's in a sell bearish candlestick right now. So it is at 44 seconds closing until this candlestick is finished forming. So if you are a new trader and you don't understand these time frames, this is a 5 minute time frame, and each of these candlesticks represents 5 minutes. So this candlestick only has about 20 seconds left to continue finishing out what it's going to form. and how it's blended in, whether with some wicks, whether with a solid candlestick with no wick, which we've seen that, but not often. This is right here, but we always look for the wick out and the pullback. So we're right here. We're waiting for this candlestick to close, and I believe it just did. And now our new candlestick has opened. Look at that, right in front of our eyes. Right in front of our eyes. Literally eat snacks watching the market sometimes. But again, I'm gonna go over that move that I told you guys about. Yeah, 5 seconds ago. And alright. You may remember my move was from here around 80. That's why I put a time alarm there too, because it's retesting, which it's doing right now. Okay, we got no buys now. I mean, sell. 75 right here. And that's where I was last time. And if you are a good someone that can follow instructions and follow a pattern, you can literally make money going up, going up, going down, going up, and up. Right now it's forming a W. 1, 2, 3, 4. So waiting for this pullback right here to be solidified, which to me is solidified, but we wait for the EMA to cross and also confirmation from my Mac. Confirmation this looks crazy. I wouldn't do anything right here. Probably wait for it to break here and fall. But we will see. That's $5 here. But what I got into though was literally this area. This whole area right here. I believe from here, which was Tuesday, 9. Yep, yesterday, 9. Or yeah, Tuesday or no, it was actually Wednesday. So I had to get from here. To the evening. So around here, I was here, this one right here. All right, so I got in around about here, 11:20 p.m. I think I got this little candlestick that doesn't look like much. Doesn't look much pullback, and I definitely exit at this candlestick here. So I got about 182 hits, which you move the decimal 2 times. That's how you determine how many hits you have gotten, as well as a percentage on this particular trade in this market. So with that, looking at that and looking at your odds, right, 30% to 54%, I probably would never do that. I'll probably do 10 to 20% right about here. I wouldn't not even take it past this price area because I know if it did, that it would be another buy breakout. But it didn't. It actually is selling at this point, so I probably could have continued to sell, but another sell. But right here to here, my goodness, guys, I don't really like showcasing profits, but like at the end of the day, just understand this trade is very valuable when you have a standard lot or if you have a mini lot. That is equivalent to, let me show you, standard lot is 0 or 1.00. If you have a mini lot, which is 1 times those roughly, and those are just numbers from 1 to whatever. For mini lot, mini lot. For a mini lot, if you put like 30 point 30 or 50, on gold, it's very, very lucrative. It's very useful as far as making money, as far as making a substantial amount of money, being able to feel like you're actually doing something, and watching this market right now and knowing that this is a pool and it's pushing, it was a point of resistance right here. It dropped. That's right now. It's making me itch right now because I want to get in. But this is not my hours to trade. I never trade outside my hours. And this move is probably not even worth it right now. But it was worth it last time. I guarantee that. But it's not right there. Maybe one, two, maybe four kind of hits. Two, three, four, and then it drops. And then wait for another one, two, three. And if you see it again, and then four will probably drop significantly. So looking at the different time frames with the MACD and also my EMA, it it has no real movement right now, guys. Gold is not something we want to trade at the very moment. As far as a day trader, you literally have to wait days for your trades to actually be implemented. Such as right here, this is where I got stopped out because I was looking for a buy here, but I was too rushy and it stopped me out. But I could have re-entered twice, one, two, and it would have went all the way to where I knew I should have had it. And that has happened in a day. So just know, being patient, knowing that you can wait for this move or you can wait for a solid move and really make your money. So that's what we're looking at. I'll be going over a little bit more later on tonight. Not really going over, but showing you guys what I'll be trading and just because and being able to share this with you guys is so important to me. Again, guys, this is a point to where I really want to be able to help anyone that wants to learn about trading because learning about trading is not easy. Learning about trading is hard. If you guys want to be part of the 10K challenge, definitely let me know. The entry is $1,000. If you want to make more, you can bring up to 5,000, get halfway there, and no cap. You can bring as much money as you want. And we can make a substantial amount. But the challenge is 10K in 30 days or less. Trading days, by the way, not calendar days. People love to count weekends for trading, but yeah, we don't work on weekends. And I don't trade 5 days out the week. I trade about 3 to 4. So just know that and understand the criteria. If you want to enter, make sure you fill out the form in the description down below. And yeah, much love to you guys. As you guys see, the market is in no real direction. But I just wanted to come up here and really go over something quickly, share a little bit of insight with you guys on my journey here. And trading is no joke. It's all about your psychology, how you don't give up, how you continue following your trading plans, your discipline on waking up, on writing them in your journal every single day, and knowing the trades and the risk factors under every trade. So with that being said, 10K challenge, we are active. I got 4 more thousand to go for my first 10K challenge client, and hopefully we do that in the next week and a half. Let's get it. Wish me luck. And guys, again, this is so exciting. Like I'm just in a whole new era of life. A new era of life, which meaning, if you guys don't know, I've been writing a book, and it's been really, really helpful for me to see how undisciplined I was for a while, and meaning how undisciplined that I have been, meaning not waking up early in the morning to get my work done, and now being holding myself accountable, doing this for you guys, and really showing myself the ins and outs of what got me here. And stop thinking that I've already made it and start thinking that there's another level to reach. And there's always another level to reach. And sometimes when you make a certain amount of money, you get stagnant and you think this is the end. Not the end, but like this is okay, I'm cool. I'm not cool. I'm not cool anymore. I want to be able to have much more. And I know what type of lifestyle I want to have. So be able to share this with you guys and showcase the book of how I'm going to do it. It's like so much fun to me. And right now, in the month of August, I'm going to be talking about chapter two, all chapter two, but obviously I'll dibble and dab in other areas, but all about the four pillars on how to create the solid trading plan and understanding your psychology, your patience, your confidence, and also just knowing your plan. Those are the pillars that I want to go over this whole month of August and every day. We're definitely going to talk about something on the channel. So every day at 12 p.m., Monday through Friday. I'm sorry, every day. Let's just do it. I'm gonna commit myself every day at 12 p.m. to really be on live and really do this for the next 30 days and really see where this can take me. And I hope to get some support from you guys. I really do appreciate it. I'm definitely liking, comment. Chad Zaire, I appreciate you guys watching. And at the end of the day, also, guys, make sure you tune in because I don't really want to just do this for anyone. I want to do this for the ones that want to see and need help growing. I want to grow with you guys, and that's exactly why I'm doing it. Because, for instance, I've never seen a day trader show, their day-to-day life, or not even day-to-day life, but authenticity of how they got to where they are. You know what I'm saying? They show after they're there, but like I've never seen a day trader show you like I've made this amount of money and now only this amount, and you're gonna watch me do it. I'm gonna take this whole full year to show you guys that I'm going to make a half a million to $1 million, if not a million, by the end of the year. We're on our way to those numbers, and it's crazy to think about, but it's in my future because I see it, I vision it, I manifest, but also I do the work to get there. I work my tail off to make sure my discipline is intact so I can be able to withhold $1 million, withhold $500,000. So for me, it's about the discipline and holding myself accountable for you guys. At this point, it's not about me anymore. It's about you guys. And I appreciate you guys so much for tuning in. And if you're first time here, make sure you guys subscribe to this channel and like your video for your girl. I can't even talk that. Like the video for your girl. And being live is like can't edit, can't do anything. So like just talking off the dome or just preparing myself for stuff like this. I love this, and I can't wait to continue showing you this, guys, and being able to now know that I have the environment, the people behind me to really help me do this, and being able to share with you guys. I'm just super excited and grateful to be honest. So stay tuned for tomorrow's morning, 5 a.m. Tune in live with me. You guys don't want to miss it. I know that I won't miss it. Tomorrow's Thursday. It's the last day for live trading because I don't trade on Fridays. So, guys, have fun with me tomorrow for the last live session of the week. If you guys want to tune in for next week, join the Discord group down below. Appreciate you guys. See you next time.